Welcome to a brand new month of learning. It's August, and we're kicking things off with some awesome words. Let's dive into a word that can change how you think. Today's word is accomplish. Can you say it out loud? Accomplish. Let's go. Let's spell accomplish together. A-C-C-O-M-P-L-I-S-H. That's A-C-C-O-M-P-L-I-S-H. Accomplish means to finish something successfully. Let's break that down. It's all about understanding what that really means in real life. Here are some words that mean the same as accomplish. Say it with me. Achieve. Complete. Succeed. Attain. Fulfill. Reach. Realize. Pause here and review the synonyms. Each one adds more meaning to your vocabulary. Now let's look at the opposites of accomplish. Fail. Give up. Quit. Abandon. Neglect. Forget. Ignore. Pause here and review the antonyms, so you know what accomplish is not. Here's a great example. Sofia accomplished her goal of reading 5 books in a month. Let's review. Accomplish means to finish something successfully. Synonyms: achieve, complete, succeed, attain, fulfill, reach, realize. Antonyms: fail, give up, quit, abandon, neglect, forget, ignore. Every goal you set brings you one step closer to your dreams. What can you do today to live this out? Your challenge: spell the word accomplish out loud, then sing it like your favorite song. Final thought: words like accomplish help you express big ideas, and you're doing amazing. You're doing incredible things, and another word is coming your way tomorrow.